Okay, so today I'm sowing my leeks, the early summer leeks, Musselburgh. I won't grow a huge amount, just enough for the end of the summer, and some early cauliflowers all year round. We'll start with the leeks. As you can see, a very deep pot. I think that's quite important. I've already topped this up with some compost, with some perlite and vermiculite added. So we'll take the seeds. This pot has been sat on my heater Super 7. The heated mat thing, takes the mini things, the mini quarter trays, and so is the one for the cauliflowers. So I'm going to spread these quite thickly because these seeds they're in the last year to use. So I'm going to sow all of these in here and just let them grow thickly together. They will never be pricked out, they're going to go straight in the ground. Later on. I just cover them with some compost and I'll go back indoors until they've sprouted. I have this little cover for them. They're going to go back indoors. Now for the cauliflowers, I don't need many at all, so I won't sow very thickly because I'll just be pricking half a dozen out probably. But these have got another year or so before they should be used up. I think that's more than enough. They can go back in the seed store now. These have been pre-wetted. Again, these will go indoors until they sprouted before they pricked out, and then they'll probably go down to my polytunnel. And that's today's sowings.